Are you tired of the daily grind? Are you dreaming of breaking free from the 9-to-5 routine and taking charge of your destiny? We have the answer. Introducing Jonathan Montoya Training 72-Hour Freedom Challenge. This is not just a simple challenge. It's your passport to financial independence and a life of freedom. You will follow a revolutionary and proven step-by-step process to help you break from your 9-to-5 to true financial freedom. Imagine launching a profitable online business in just 72 hours. Sounds impossible? Think again. With Jonathan Montoya's guidance, this proven system has helped many people break away from their 9-to-5 jobs. What will you learn? You will learn how to clone an entire marketing system. Follow systematic steps to rebrand the system as your brand. There is no technical skill required. And there are live coaches available to assist you in every step, and to help you meet your target at no extra cost. This intensive program equips you with the tools, strategies, and know-how to rapidly create a thriving online business. Hear from our participants. John, a school teacher, said, "The 72-Hour Freedom Challenge completely transformed my perspective. I now run a successful online business and control my own time." Amy, a stay-at-home mom, said, "In just 72 hours, I saw a remarkable shift. It's a game changer." Join countless others who've embraced the challenge and broken free from the conventional 9-to-5 jobs. It's time to redefine your future on your terms. Are you ready to take the 72-Hour Freedom Challenge? Visit the link in the description below to embark on your journey to financial freedom. Start now and replace your 9-to-5 job in 72 hours.